Hello all, myself Dr. Ruchi Singh from IS University Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm from Department of Chemistry and here I'm going to present a topic of bioinorganic, that is peroxidase enzyme. It is an enzyme which catalyzes the oxidation of a particular substrate by hydrogen peroxide. Basically, it is an enzyme which is found in a wide variety of organisms from the plants to humans to bacteria. And its main function is to break down the hydrogen peroxide, which is one of the toxins which is produced as a byproduct of using oxygen for respiration. Peroxidases are a large group of enzymes which play a role in various biological processes, and they are named after the fact that they commonly break up by peroxidases. The optimal substrates are for this is the nature of electron donor is very dependent on the structure of the enzymes. For example, horseradish peroxidase can use a variety of organic compounds as electron donors and acceptors. So, on the other hand, for an enzyme such as the cytochrome C peroxidase, that compounds that donate electrons are very specific due to very narrow active state. Protein families, these are classified as which serves as the peroxidase include heme using and non-heme using. The basic example for heme using is heme peroxidase and the related animal, and non-heme includes thioglutathione peroxidase, peroxyredoxin. Characterization: we can characterize these glutathione peroxidase family, which consisting of 8 known human isoforms. Glutathione peroxidases use glutathione as an electron donor and are active with both hydrogen peroxidase and organic hydroperoxidase substrates. So, amyloid beta, when bound to heme, has been shown to have peroxidases activity. Peroxidase or this iron enzymes plays a vital role in many applications, like it can be used for treatment of industrial wastewaters like phenols, which are important pollutants, can be removed by enzyme catalyzed polymerization using horseradish peroxidase. Thus phenols are oxidized to phenoxy radicals which participate in reactions where polymers and oligomers are produced that are less toxic than the phenols. It is also can be used to convert or toxic materials into less harmful substrates. So this is a heme peroxidase and the reaction in which when ferric reacts with the hydrogen peroxides plus water, then it converts into oxidized substrates. In this mechanism, basically enzyme reacts with one equivalent of hydrogen peroxide and give one compound. This is 2 electron oxidation reaction in which hydrogen peroxide is reduced to water and the enzyme is oxidized. Now, the class 2 or class 3 of peroxidase consists of the secretory fungal peroxidases, ligninases or lignin peroxidases. Class 3 consists of secretory plant peroxidases which have multiple tissue specific functions and removal of hydrogen peroxidase from chloroplast and cytosol. So the oxidation of toxic compounds, biosynthesis of the cell wall, defense responses towards wounding, indole 3 acetic acid catabolism, ethylene biosynthesis and so on. Peroxidase test: because samples are homogenized and enzymes are extracted into a cold pH 6.5 buffer. A protein determination by the Bartford method is performed on the enzyme extract to normalize subsequent enzyme results to be efficiency of the protein extraction. Thank you.